Is it time to buy or sell Unity stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Unity. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Unity as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.06. Let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 82.62% since we first identified Unity as a buy candidate 63 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.31% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 60.46% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from around 41.03% to 75.84%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our analysis over 12 months points to a projected change of about 49.1%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between negative 21.28% and 27.5% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $31.35 and $50.78. Our latest daily update for Unity includes the headline, Unity stock price ended at $39.83 on Monday after gaining 1.71%. The Unity stock price gained 1.71% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, rising from $39.16 to $39.83. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.17%, with a low of $38.34 and a high of $39.94. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.01% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $511,780,000. It's important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $39.94, and the lowest price was $15.33. Currently, the price is 0.28% or 11 cents below the 52-week high, and 81.03% or $170.17 below the all-time high reached on the 18th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $210. Unity is experiencing a significant surge in momentum. Over the past few weeks, the stock has increased by approximately 64% as the adoption of Unity 6 and its artificial intelligence advertising platform, Vector, has accelerated. Vector is reportedly enhancing advertising network revenue by around 15% sequentially and indicating continued growth in the double digits. In addition, Unity has been establishing strategic partnerships. Recent agreements with Globant, along with collaborations with Tencent, Scopely, and Nintendo, and is advancing its service partner program to promote real-time, 3-dimensional technology into industries such as automotive, healthcare, and manufacturing. In the short term, this combination drives upgrades in earnings estimates, attracts analyst interest, and creates price momentum. However, it also introduces the risk of volatile profit-taking after such a notable rise. In the long run, successful monetization of Vector and significant penetration into enterprise markets could broaden the total addressable market and stabilize recurring revenue, which would support a higher valuation. Nevertheless, execution risks, competition, and macroeconomic cyclicality remain key concerns that could limit potential upside if growth slows. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned a grade of outperform to you, coupled with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, Citigroup also rated you as outperform and recommended a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, Jefferies gave you a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, Jefferies assigned a hold rating to you, maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, Citigroup upgraded you to an outperform rating along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Unity stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Unity. Today's chart indicates mostly positive signals. The Unity stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at levels of $37.81 and $34.14. A drop below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and to date, the stock has increased by 25.13%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 67 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 61 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Unity. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $36.52 and $33.94. There's a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Unity finds support just below today's level at $36.52. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $33.94 and $31.92. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.60 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.17%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.25%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Unity, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and pose bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 17 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Unity. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Unity meets its first support level at $36.52. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Unity from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of August, 2025, Barry Smith Mark conducted an insider sale of 790 shares of common stock. On the 15th of August, 2025, Gupta Anirma conducted an insider sale of 3,384 shares of common stock. On the 11th of August, 2025, Blum Alexander conducted an insider sale of 2,582 shares of common stock. On the 6th of August, 2025, Barzeev Tomer conducted an insider sale of 49,509 shares of common stock. On the 6th of August, 2025, Barzeev Tomer conducted an insider sale of 491 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 35.592. Overall, insiders purchased 1,678,303 shares and sold 3,337,183 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $38.58, reflecting a decline of 3.14%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Currently, there's a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 16 days ago. Is Unity stock a good buy? Unity holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, August 26th, we expect Unity to open lower by 460 cents and start trading at $39.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.